Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed about concentration terms. Here I have segregated these terms into categories. One related to mass, other related to volume. These terms are related to mass, means percentage mass, weight by weight, molality, mole fraction consists the term weight or mass in it, and these terms consist the term volume in it. As you can see, there is a presence of term mass over here. These all concentration terms are temperature independent, because if you change the temperature there is no effect on mass. But these terms, as they consist volume in their formulas, so if you change temperature over here, these quantities, the values of these terms also changes. So now we will study one by one all the concentration terms, and I want you all to make notes of it and copy all the numericals based on this. So now let us start with the first concentration term, that is percentage weight by weight. Let us begin with the first concentration term, that is percentage weight by weight. Now 10% of glucose in water, that means what? That means 10 gram of glucose in 90 gram of water, making 100 gram of solution. This is the first concentration term, students, percentage weight by weight, or it is also called mass percentage. Here the numerator will show about mass of solute and denominator will show mass of solution. If it is given 10% weight by weight of glucose, that means 10% of glucose in water means 10 gram of glucose mixed in 90 gram of water to make 100 gram of solution. The formula for this term can be written as percentage weight by weight is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution. I repeat, don't write here solvent, here the mass of solution will come, and solution means solute plus solvent, into 100. This is the formula to find percentage weight by weight or to find mass percentage. Let us solve one numerical based on this. Find percentage weight by weight of solution when 20 gram of sugar is dissolved in 180 gram of water. So try this, students. Now 20 gram of sugar, 180 gram of water. So you can easily tell which one of the solute and which is the solvent. Here solute is sugar, which is having 20 gram mass, and water is our solvent, 180 gram. What you have to find? Percentage weight by weight. Therefore percentage weight by weight is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. How much we have mass of solute? 20 gram. What is the mass of solution? 20 gram solute plus 20 gram of solvent will give you 200 gram of solution into 100. So you can cancel this out and the answer is 10% weight by weight. This is the first numerical based on the concentration term, percentage weight by weight. Another we will solve. I want you all to pause the video and start copying all this numerical and notes in notebook. Okay. Here we have next question. Students, please try it by yourself. Pause the video and try to get the answer for this. Calculate mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Again, here you have to find mass percentage. Pause the video and try to get the answer for this. Then I will solve. Okay, have you all tried it? Let us see what is the answer for this. First of all, here written the benzene and here CCl4. As you can see, CCl4 is in larger amount, so it will definitely a solvent, and benzene is solute. But here we have to find mass percentage of both individually. Let us find first for benzene. So, mass percentage of benzene. What was the formula? Percentage weight by weight is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution. Let me write here. Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. What is the mass of benzene do we have? 22 gram. And total amount of solution, solute plus solvent, equals to 22 plus 122 into 100. So your answer will be 22 divided by 144 into 100. So 2200 divided by 144 will be approximately equal to 15.27%. So this is your percentage weight by weight of benzene. Again we have to find now percentage for the CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So percentage weight by weight of benzene we have just now found, it is 15.27%. Let us now find for CCl4. So percentage weight by weight of carbon tetrachloride is equals to, what is the mass of CCl4 over here? 122 gram upon total 144 into 100. So the answer for this is your 84.72%. This is the way to find percentage weight by weight. So here we have found both the mass percentage of benzene as well as carbon tetrachloride. Now students, we will see some more numerical on this topic, but in board very less questions are asked on this easy topic. But the next term which I am going to start. Okay, let me complete one more term in this. We will complete now percentage weight by volume. We have seen percentage weight by weight. Now we will discuss about percentage weight by volume. Okay, a similar concentration term we have now, percentage weight by volume. Last time you were having percentage weight by weight. Here you have just percentage weight by volume. So instead of weight of solution, now you will write volume of solution. That means 10% weight by volume of NaCl solution means 10 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 ml of water. 10 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 ml of water will give you 10% weight by volume of NaCl solution. Okay, let us see one question based on this. Find percentage weight by volume of sugar solution when if 20 gram of sugar is added to make 500 ml of sugar solution. Just you have to find here percentage weight by volume. The formula will be what? Mass of solute upon this time volume of solution, because we are doing percentage weight by volume. into 100. Okay, what is given to us here for sugar solution? How many gram of sugar we have? We are having 20 gram. Upon volume of solution we have 500 ml into 100. So just cancel it out. Answer will be 4% weight by volume. This is the simple sum based on percentage weight by volume. But now students, I will give you one more sum which is little bit complex. You have to convert from one to another in that. Let us see that sum now. Copy these notes. Okay dear students, see in the previous two topics you have seen percentage weight by volume and percentage weight by weight and solve numericals based on this. Look at this question now. Find percentage weight by weight if 20 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. If density is given, listen to me carefully, you have to find percentage weight by weight and here volume is given. You cannot write directly that 20 upon 100 into 100 because here we have 100 ml, not 100 gram. And you have to find percentage weight by weight. So you have to use this term density over here because density means what? Rho equals to mass upon volume. These two terms, mass and volume, are connected together by the term density. So whenever you have such sums of converting, you will use always this term what? Density. Let us solve this sum. First of all, what we have to find? Check it out. We have to find percentage weight by weight. What's the formula for this? Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Okay, this is the formula we have to find. Let us see what is given to us in the question. Okay, 20 gram of sugar, that means so mass of solute is given. Mass of solute is how much? 20 gram. Okay. Do we have mass of solution? No. We have given volume of solution. So mass of solution is unknown, but volume of solution is given to us 100 ml. And yes, density of solution 1.5 gram per ml. See, we have density, we have volume. Can you find now mass? Easily you can find. So density equals to density of solute, density of solution. Density of solution is equals to mass of solution upon volume of solution. 1.5 gram per ml. Here assume it to be X. Volume of solution is given to us 100. Therefore X is equals to 150 gram. Okay, we have got now the mass of solution. Now apply these mass of solution in this formula and we will get the answer. Okay, in there we have found mass of solution 150 gram we got. Now applying it, mass of solute is given to us 20 gram. Just now we found mass of solution 150 gram into 100. So just solve it. 0 0 get cancelled out. So 200 divided by 50. So you can easily cut by 5 also. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 40. 40 divided by 3 you can take 40 divided by 3 you can take 15 3s of 40 divided by 3. So 3 1 okay. 3 1s are 3 1, 3 3s are 9.1, 13.33%. Okay, so here we have got the percentage weight by weight. Just now I am telling that you have used your term rho, density, to convert weight by volume to weight by weight. 20 grams sugar was given, density is given, we have found the mass of solution. After finding the mass of solution, we have put the value in the formula and we have got the answer. So this is the way to find if you have two different terms. If you have to interconvert, then use the term rho density. Now after this concentration terms, percentage weight by weight, percentage weight by volume, I'm going to show the most important term, that is molarity. And now it is very important for practical purpose also, and for your board also, as for your JEE also. And we will solve many sums based on this. So this is the video. This is the end of this video. I want you all to copy these questions, copy these notes properly in notebook. And if any doubts, you can put in the comment section. And please write or copy all these questions properly and start making notes of it. Thank you.